Have you ever found yourself wondering, where did all my money go, and wished there was a magical app to help you keep track of it all? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving into the story of PocketGuard, the app that's changing the way we manage our finances. Let's face it, personal finance can be a real headache. Bills piling up, unexpected expenses popping out of nowhere, and the constant struggle to save. It's enough to drive anyone crazy. Enter PocketGuard, the brainchild of a team of passionate individuals who wanted to simplify personal finance. Their goal was to create a user-friendly app that would empower people to take control of their money. So, who are these financial wizards behind PocketGuard? While the specific details of the team might be a bit elusive, we can shed some light on the company's journey. PocketGuard was founded by a group of tech enthusiasts who saw a gap in the market for a personal finance app that was both powerful and easy to use. They combined their expertise in technology and finance to develop a solution that would resonate with people from all walks of life. The PocketGuard philosophy, at the core of PocketGuard's mission, is the belief that everyone deserves to have a clear understanding of their finances. They strive to make money management accessible and enjoyable, so you can focus on what truly matters. Key features of PocketGuard. To achieve this, PocketGuard offers a range of features that make it a powerful tool for managing your money. Automatic expense tracking, no more manual entry. PocketGuard automatically categorizes your transactions, so you can see exactly where your money is going. Customizable budgets, set budgets for different categories, track your spending, and stay on top of your financial goals. Savings goals, create savings goals and watch your money grow. PocketGuard can even suggest ways to save more, such as rounding up purchases or finding and used subscriptions. Debt management, keep track of your debts, set up payment plans, and accelerate your payoff journey. Financial insights, get personalized insights into your spending habits so you can make informed decisions about your money. The impact of PocketGuard. PocketGuard has made a significant impact on the lives of millions of users worldwide. By providing a simple and effective way to manage finances, the app has helped people save money, reduce debt, and achieve their financial goals. The future of personal finance. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative solutions to help us manage our money. PocketGuard is at the forefront of this movement, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.